Hello and welcome to the Western Bartonshire Learning Campus. My name is Mr. Clark and we are going to be looking at today turning words into numbers. Now this is always a little tricky part and there's lots of things to catch out, but I'm going to show you a few of my top tips to try and help you with this. So we're going to start off quite simple. I've got a couple of examples here and I'm going to show you a few of the things that I do to help out. So I've got this sentence here, so I'm going to read it. 36,405. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go write some commas in here. Now, you'll remember from when we were doing it the other way around. When you hear the word thousand, you put a comma, okay? So I'm going to do that. So 36,000, and I'm going to put a wee comma there. That's a wee reminder of where my divider is. So I'm going to look at this number, 36. So I've got 36, I'm going to write 3, 6, 36, and then I'm going to put my comma, because it's 36,000. Next part is 405. Now, if I think about it, 405, there isn't any mention of tens there. There's no 20, there's no teens, no 30. So that means that we are going to have to put a placeholder in there. So it's going to be 4 in the hundreds column. We're going to have 0 tens. I didn't hear any tens there. And 5. So that is how I write that number. 36,405. I should be able to read it like a sentence. If you can't, then we've done it wrong. Let's move on to this next one, which is a bit bigger. We've got 7,007,208. Now, big number. I'm going to need a lot of space here. So, once again, after the word thousand, I'm going to put a wee comma. And also after that word million, I'm going to put a comma, because that's going to help me as well. So I'm going to read this in parts. I've got, first part, 7 million. So put 7, and I'm going to put the million, comma. 7,000. Now there's no mention of hundreds of thousands. There's no mention of tens of thousands. There's just thousands. So that means I'm going to have to fill in some gaps. I'm going to have to put a 0 as a placeholder in the hundreds of thousands. I'm going to have to put a 0 in my tens of thousands, and then it's just 7,000. 7 and then 1,000. Oh yeah, nearly forgot, put my comma in. So I've got 7 million, no hundreds of thousands, no tens of thousands, 7,000. Put my comma for my 1,000, 208. Now I'm thinking about this again, 208. There's no tens again. So 200, 10, 20, no, they're definitely not. So I'm going to write the 2 in my hundreds column. I'm going to put that 0 as a placeholder in my tens column, because there's nothing there, and 8. And that's how I write that number. I'm going to read it again, always double check, just to be sure. 7 million. 7 in my thousands column, because I had no hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands. I've got my 1,000 comma, just as a little reminder. 200, no tens, and 8. And guys, it's as simple as that. So give it a go. If you find it easy, why don't you try maybe one of my harder challenges? See if you can get it up to the spicy hot level. Give it a go. Catch you later.